And understand what are the stocks that are buzzing in trade in the Fatafat mode. First up, you have Sequent Scientific. Just about 10 minutes ago, delivering their numbers. Revenue came in at 310, decent expansion on a YOY basis. Profits also grew from 15 crore in the same quarter last year, just now coming in at close to 25 crores. So a very healthy expansion happening on a YOY basis as far as the bottom line performance is also concerned. Sequent Scientific definitely reacting quite positively to that. You also have a Sagar Cement from the small cap index, which is looking very upbeat. Revenues were down 23%, but the profit figure showed a good 22% growth, coming in at 36 crores. Margins, a fantastic expansion seen there as well. From 23% in the same quarter last year, this time around they've delivered a margin performance of 33%. So phenomenal expansion on the margins front is something that's keeping the investors as well upbeat in trade. Followed by the likes of Manappuram, which is in focus. The management also joined us to talk about their quarterly report card. They said MFI was impacted by the lockdown, so the company wasn't able to reach out to the customers. They expect collection efficiency to reach 90% by September. They were conservative in terms of provisioning. They may not need aggressive provisions once the lockdown is over, said the management. Capital adequacy at 23%. They don't see any need at this point in time to raise further capital. They expect 10 to 15% growth in gold loan business for FY21. Don't see any meaningful growth in non-gold segments. That's the key highlights as far as Manappuram's commentary is concerned. They spoke to us earlier in the day. Moving on to PVR and Inox, two entertainment stocks, two exhibition stocks that continue to be very much in focus. They should brace themselves for a further pain perhaps. The Ministry of Home Affairs issued fresh guidelines under Unlock 3, and the plans are in place to relax lockdown restrictions in which areas outside the containment zones, which would come effect from the 1st of August. But among the many things like gyms, etc., there was also some hope coming in for the reopening of cinema halls as well. But the latest order states that metro services, cinema halls, swimming pools, entertainment parks will remain closed. So further pain coming in for exhibition companies like PVR and Inox, as you can see, looking pretty weak in trade. Finally, you also have a Neel Kamal, which is also in focus as well, quickly pulling up the share price of this, soaring in trade, absolute rally coming by. The stock is up 7.5% as we speak. So these are the stocks that we wanted to do a quick check in the Fatafat mode.